Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek Mythos Black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 7,000 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels, with a 10Y spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. Now to the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Now one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. Now if you like listening to your music, then you'll absolutely love the SONOS sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Into Maps to help you easily find your desired destination. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations. And finally in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 12V and USB charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the MMI multimedia display control pad. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.